Switch is on the side, right? Switch on, which you need to do there. Right, switch it on. Now I'll do a wee bit first. Don't you power up yours yet. It goes up like nobody's. Right, so watch this. Now watch, see how. Got to be careful with it. Come on, over this way. Let the power down, or you can let the power down. Up it round, bring it forward, see? See? Back away. That's right. Let your power down. Pick it up. That way. Well done.
It's like thunder, yeah.
Oh! Oh, down.
Searching for the helicopter. Try shaking the tree.
Hey! And whoa! Hey!
Okay, let's get another fly then.
Just tell me when you're ready.
Yeah, go.
That's fine. Keep with it. Power way down.
Oh, you want to switch back off?
Alright, I think it's actually running.
I think it's running out of power. Clary's got a better control than you have. Clary, try the... it's good. Oh well.